I
want to hear it. Oh!
Good gracious.
What is that noise?
I don't know. I think it's a tornado.
Oh, you know what?
I
That
guess
might
it's
be
sirens.
the tornado siren.
That would be. Look at how it's really.
Yeah.
There's somebody out on their balcony. Yeah, you need to go inside, jackass.
Shit. Maybe I should turn the TV on and see if they're telling us something.
Yeah, maybe. Scared me. Hate it. Dude, seriously. Look at it over at the end of Chicago.
Do you hear them?
Yeah, there's a police car down there.
Oh, wow, yeah. He's probably telling people to get off the streets.
Wow.
Tornado warning remains in effect.
Oh! Okay.
Wow, something just blew on top of the end of Chicago. Something flew by.
Yeah. Alright, I'm turning the camera off.